Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Microsoft Office on a Mac or PC for free with your school account. Microsoft Office is very similar to Google Drive, but I prefer it over Google Drive for a few reasons. The first is that it has more features than Google Drive. The second is that it doesn't require an internet connection, and the third is that it is used in most jobs, so it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with it. Apple and Windows have made it very easy to install Office if you have an Apple ID or Microsoft account. If you have an Apple ID or Microsoft account, keep watching here. If you don't have either of those IDs, you can skip ahead now. If you have a Microsoft or Apple account or Apple ID, you can download the applications from the Mac App Store or the Windows Store using those accounts. You just need to open the store, search for Microsoft Office, and then install the applications. Once you have installed the applications, you need to open one of them up. I've opened Word, and when I click Get Started, it asks me for a login. This is where you want to put your MPS EDU email, which is your username followed by @mpsedu.org. After you type that in, type in your school password. Microsoft Office then should be activated and ready to go. If you don't have either of those IDs, you will need to download the software from Microsoft's website. To start, open up an internet browser and go to portal.office.com. Sign in with your school email, which is your username @mpsedu.org. And enter your school password. You want to click the Install Office box on the right side of the screen. You want to click Office 365 Apps. It'll take a few minutes to download. The file will save to your Downloads folder. To install Office, we need to open the downloaded file. To find downloads on a Mac, you can go to your Finder and click Downloads in the sidebar. On a PC, you can go to Downloads by clicking on the folder at the bottom bar and then clicking Downloads in that sidebar. The file you want to open should say Microsoft Office Installer or something along those lines. You want to open this file and then follow the installation instructions. I'm doing this on a Mac, but they are very similar on a PC. Once the apps are done installing, you can move the installer to the trash. You don't need to keep this file. The next and final step we need is to activate Office. You can do this by opening one of the apps. On a Mac, to find the apps, go to the Applications in the sidebar, and on a PC, you can open the Start menu. I'm opening Word. Once the app is opened, you want to go down and click Get Started. Then click Sign In. Again, you will need to use your Minneapolis Public Schools email, which is your username @mpsedu.org. Enter your school password and click Sign In. Office now should be ready to use after you click Turn On the Intelligent Services page.